started watching a lot of those I wore $2 clothes for a week videos. And if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I always wear $2 clothes because I shop at the thrift outlet. But the thing about me is that a lot of those clothes I remake to make them look like I want them to look. So I've been wondering, would it be possible for me to go to $2 Day at the thrift outlet and find a whole 5 days worth of clothes that I don't remake? All right, we're going into the thrift store and I'm gonna let you guys into my thrift thoughts again. If you don't understand the way I speak in my thoughts, hit that closed captioning button in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see what they got in here today. They got a whole lot of dust, I know that much. I don't know why you do this to yourself. Everything in this place needs to be upcycled. You can't just turn off your creative brain just like that. This video might suck. Oh, a camo jacket. I've been wanting one of these forever, but they're always so big. I know it's a lot of women in the military too. What, they don't ever donate their jackets? Oh, it fit. Oh yeah, I'll be taking this one. Oh, what are these? Jogging pants with a nice pattern and texture. Oh my gosh, this dust is attacking me. I can just feel those dust mites conspiring against me. They just won't let me be great. Anyway, I really like these. So I could look nice while being lazy and comfortable at the same time. Sounds about right. Oh, here's a pair of lightweight flare leg jeans. The 70s are hitting right now. I might try these. Oh my gosh, when Gabrielle was little, I would have had this in a heartbeat. A little Gap denim jacket. Oh man, I miss my kids being this little. Oh. No man, I'm grateful for what I got. Lord, I'm grateful. Oh, here's a simple pink top. Boy, I must really be feeling lazy today. But I just like the dusty pink color. Oh, a Ralph Lauren pajama top. I really like the white piping. This will really be good for the 2 days of winter we get in Houston. Oh, a lace top. Now you know you always pick up those pretty lace tops and don't ever wear them. Go ahead and put that back, honey. Oh, okay, here's a green top. But you know you don't have to buy every green top that you find in the thrift store. Oh, let me try on this acid wash medium vest. I know it's gonna be too small, but I just gotta try it on. Okay, I'm satisfied now. I'll just leave it for the teenagers. But it is thread and supply. Okay, I'll put it back. Look at here. Now I really want the vest just because she picked it up right behind me. Shoot. Oh, look at this. A vintage Abercrombie furry jacket. But this fur, it need a lot. A lot. Ooh, shimmery, baby. A little Fashion Nova at the outlet today. Wow. A vintage Levi's suit coat. Who knew that Levi's made blazers back in the day? Okay, so now I gotta decide what I'm gonna get and make sure I have full outfits to make this video good. So y'all get out of my head now. Okay, so it's Monday and I have on the first outfit. Today was just doing a lot of housework, so I wanted to be comfy today. And so I put on this outfit really good for transitioning into the fall. So I put on this just pink top, nice and comfy. I love the way it fits. It was $2 at the outlet. And I have on these woven like jogging pants, but I really like the fact that they're woven because it makes them a little bit more than just regular jogging pants. And I have on my New Balance dad sneakers, ugly dad sneakers that I already had. Actually, those were the sneakers from last week's video about how to wash thrift store clothes. So if you didn't check that out, definitely click the I to check that out. And I also found this New Balance backpack. It's just like a really small backpack. And I actually have one of the straps tucked into the little pocket because I thought that this would be a really cool fanny pack, bum bag, whatever. Okay, it's Tuesday and I just came back from the thrift store actually, but all I got was curtains. That's what I went for and that's what I got, and that was all I got, so I'm very proud of myself. I have on today this Kennedy Space Center t-shirt, and my husband used to work for NASA, so I am into anything space. And I have on these leggings that have like a kind of riding pants look, and also this camel jacket. I love this one because it's nice and worn. It even has like a couple of, you know, like worn in holes around the pockets and stuff. I love that look. And I have on my Nike Cortez as well, which I love. Okay, so it is Wednesday, and today is actually a special day because my youngest son is trying out for drama club. So I have to get his costume ready. If you want to see his little short monologue at the end, I think maybe I'll put it at the end. But today I have on these really cute earrings I got from Sam Moon. But from the thrift outlet, I have on this Ralph Lauren sweater. I have it on as a top. And also this really cute skirt from a brand called Chinos that I really love. And sneakers on as usual because I am a person on the go. Okay, so today is Thursday. I call it like the Bert and Ernie shirt, but I really like this. This is Liz Claiborne. I really like turtlenecks, mock necks. But this one is short sleeve, so I think it's really good for Houston. And it has the stripes. Stripes are really in, and it has definitely a 70s vibe. So I'm really feeling that. I also have on these wide leg thin jeans, which really balances out the heat of the sweater. It's Friday, the 5th day. And today I just wanted to be a little bit more dressy, so I have on this camel colored mock neck turtleneck, another mock neck turtleneck. This one is sleeveless, so it's going to be a little bit warmer today, so I decided to wear this one today. I have on these light colored linen feeling pants. I do have the camo jacket again to wear that, and to bring down this like kind of serious look, today I have on sneakers. That's like the best of both worlds, like coming together.
Me? No one asked that before. Well, in my case, oh, forget it. I can't. Freedom is all part and parcel of Gene Gig. Phenomenal is cosmic power. Real space. But oh, to be free. Go, poof, what do you need? Poof, what do you need? Poof, what do you need? To be my own master. Such a thing will be granted. All the manning and all the treasure, all the work. But what am I talking about? Let's get real. It's not going to happen. Jenny, wake up and smell your hummus.